Alright, today we're breaking down code C0035, and this one shows up when there's a problem with the left front wheel speed sensor circuit. That's the sensor that tells your ABS and traction control systems how fast that wheel is spinning. Let's break that down real quick. Each wheel has a speed sensor that sends real-time data to the ABS control module. That's how the system knows if a wheel is locking up under braking or slipping during acceleration. If the module can't read the signal from the left front sensor, or the signal is erratic, it throws this C0035 code. When this happens, you'll likely see the ABS light, traction control light, or stability control light come on. You might also notice ABS or traction control is disabled, especially in slippery conditions. What causes a C0035 code? Damaged or failed left front wheel speed sensor. The sensor may be physically damaged, internally shorted, or just worn out. These sensors take a lot of abuse from road debris, salt, and moisture, especially in colder climates. Broken or corroded wiring near the sensor, a super common issue. Look for torn insulation, green corrosion at the connector, or wires rubbing against suspension components. Any open or shorted circuit will cause signal loss. Loose or dirty sensor connector A, loose plug or dirty terminals can interrupt the signal. If the connector isn't fully seated or is contaminated with brake dust, road grime, or water, the module may stop getting data. Damaged tone ring, reluctor wheel. This is the metal ring the sensor reads as the wheel turns. If the ring is cracked, missing teeth, or full of debris, the sensor may give a weak or erratic signal. Faulty ABS control module, less common. If you've ruled everything else out and still have no signal from a good sensor and wiring, the module may not be reading the signal properly. Not common, but it does happen. Where it's located. The left front wheel speed sensor is mounted behind the brake rotor on the steering knuckle or hub assembly. It's held in by a small bolt and connects via a short harness to the main body harness, usually routed along the control arm. You'll typically see a small sensor with 1 or 2 wires, depending on the system. What to check? Visual inspection of the sensor and wiring. Make sure nothing's unplugged, damaged, or rubbing. Check for rust buildup or debris around the sensor and tone ring. Clean both if needed. Use a multimeter to check for proper voltage and resistance across the sensor. Most good sensors will have a few hundred to a few thousand ohms. Spin the wheel and check live data if you have a scan tool. Look for a steady speed signal from that wheel. If that wheel reads 0 or erratic, there's definitely a problem. If all else fails, swap the sensor with the right front to see if the code moves. If it does, you've confirmed it's the sensor. So yeah. C0035 is all about the left front wheel speed sensor circuit. Most of the time, it comes down to a failed sensor or damaged wiring. These are usually easy to access and inexpensive to replace. Just make sure to verify before throwing parts at it. A little testing goes a long way. That's it for this one. I'll see you in the next.